You're about to receive what you didn't even know you needed. Have you ever felt a strange emptiness, like something is missing, even if you can't quite name it? You're going through life, doing everything right, but deep down you feel this quiet tug. It's almost as if there's something waiting for you just beyond what you can see or imagine. Today we're diving into the mysterious ways the universe works to fulfill our needs, sometimes in the most surprising ways. You might think you know what you want, but there's a powerful force that knows exactly what you need. And often it arrives at the most unexpected times in ways that can completely change the course of your life. In this video, we're going to explore how this phenomenon works. We'll talk about why you may not even realize what you truly need, how to recognize signs that something is coming your way, and what to do when the universe hands you an opportunity or gift you didn't see coming. By the end, you'll see why staying open to life's surprises can bring you a deeper sense of peace, fulfillment, and purpose than you ever thought possible. So stay with us until the end to uncover how to receive what's meant for you, especially those things you didn't even know you needed. Welcome to Divine Reality. If you're looking for insights and inspiration on living a fulfilling life, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of content on the way designed to help you tap into a higher understanding of your reality and uncover the incredible possibilities waiting for you. Let's begin. Before we talk about the ways to recognize what we truly need, let's dive into an idea that might seem strange at first: the concept of receiving beyond expectations. Think about it for a moment. How often in life do we ask for one thing and end up with something completely different? Yet, looking back, we realize that what we got was exactly what we needed all along. Imagine someone who's been chasing career success their entire life. They work hard, put in long hours, and sacrifice a lot to climb the ladder. Their mind is focused on promotions, financial gain, and building an impressive resume. But along the way, they experience setbacks. Projects don't go as planned, promotions don't come through, and the success they were aiming for seems to slip further away. Now, this person may feel like they're failing, like life is denying them what they want most. But during this struggle, something surprising happens. They start developing resilience and patience. They learn to balance their life a bit more, maybe spend more time with family or reconnect with friends. Eventually, they find themselves building a life that's actually more fulfilling than the one they had originally envisioned. They've become someone who values peace over constant competition, joy over mere success. And when they look back, they realize that their journey gave them not just career growth, but inner growth, something they hadn't even known they needed. It's almost as if life, or the universe, has a plan that goes beyond our own limited vision. We ask for what we think will make us happy, but sometimes we're led down a different path that brings us a kind of joy or peace we couldn't see for ourselves. It's like the universe has this way of knowing us better than we know ourselves, giving us experiences that shape us, challenge us, and ultimately bring us closer to our true selves. So, when we talk about the idea of receiving beyond expectations, it's really about trusting that sometimes life's twists and turns are leading us somewhere important, even if that somewhere looks nothing like what we pictured. Before we talk about the signs that the universe may be bringing something meaningful your way, let's take a moment to explore the importance of recognizing what we truly need. So often in life, we set our sights on goals and desires that seem fulfilling on the surface, but beneath those desires, there's usually something deeper. Sometimes we chase after wealth, believing it will make us feel secure, or we seek relationships thinking that love from someone else will make us feel whole. But if we pause and look closely, we may start to see that what we're really after isn't just money or status or even companionship. We're actually seeking a sense of peace, safety, and belonging. The things we desire often serve as symbols for those deeper needs, and it's easy to lose sight of what we're truly looking for. When we can step back and recognize these deeper needs, it becomes easier to understand why life sometimes takes us on unexpected paths. Trusting this process, though, isn't always easy. Life has a way of presenting situations that challenge us, especially when we're set on a particular outcome. But sometimes those very challenges are part of guiding us towards something we need to experience. It's as if life's journey has its own wisdom, nudging us gently or even firmly toward what's best for us, even when it's difficult to see or accept. When we allow ourselves to trust the journey, we open up to the idea that every step, even the confusing or painful ones, has a purpose. It's a bit like planting a seed. At first, you see nothing but dirt, and it seems as if nothing is happening. But over time, with patience and care, growth starts to show, and soon you see something beautiful emerge. By staying open to this process, we allow ourselves to receive what's meant for us, even if it comes in unexpected forms. It's about letting go of rigid expectations and embracing the idea that what we truly need might come to us in ways we hadn't anticipated. Before we talk about the signs that show something good is coming your way, let's consider how the universe, or whatever greater intelligence you believe in, guides us toward what's best for us. Some people call it the universe, others call it God, fate, or simply a higher power. Whatever name you give it, the idea is the same: a force that has a broader, wiser perspective than we do, one that seems to be orchestrating events to nudge us in the right direction. This universal wisdom has a way of stepping in just when we need it, even if it's hard to recognize at first. Have you ever noticed how, sometimes, what feels like a closed door turns out to be the very thing that opens a new path? Or how a difficult experience teaches you something you couldn't have learned otherwise? It's as if there's a subtle plan at play, guiding us toward growth, fulfillment, and understanding. Learning to receive what comes with gratitude can be a powerful practice. When we approach life with an attitude of thankfulness, even for the things we didn't ask for or don't fully understand, it changes something within us. Gratitude helps us move from resistance to acceptance, making it easier to recognize the hidden gifts in our experiences. And over time, this habit of receiving with gratitude often brings a deep sense of peace and personal growth. Through gratitude, we also open ourselves up to learning. We become more flexible, more open to possibilities we hadn't considered before. Instead of feeling like life is happening to us, we start to feel as if life is happening for us. This shift can create a profound transformation, allowing us to trust the journey and to see the wisdom in each twist and turn along the way. Before we talk about how to fully embrace what comes your way, let's explore the signs that you're about to receive something you need, often in ways that are both surprising and deeply meaningful. Life has an interesting way of nudging us. Sometimes through unexpected changes or detours that may feel inconvenient or even challenging at first. But these sudden shifts, like a new job offer, a canceled plan, or an unforeseen move, often hold hidden purposes. They may feel random, but if we look closer, these changes are sometimes the universe's way of redirecting us toward a path that's better aligned with what we truly need. Imagine you're all set on one plan and suddenly something comes along to disrupt it. At first, it might feel frustrating, like an obstacle. But later, you may come to see how this new direction brought opportunities or insights you couldn't have gained otherwise. These detours are often where we find the experiences that shape us, helping us grow or revealing something we didn't know we were looking for. Another powerful sign is those sudden moments of inspiration or clarity, those aha moments that seem to come out of nowhere. These insights often appear when we're mentally and emotionally ready to receive them, even if we weren't consciously aware of it. It's like a light bulb goes off, illuminating a new perspective or a solution that brings a deep sense of understanding. These moments can be as simple as realizing a truth about yourself or suddenly feeling pulled toward a new passion or purpose. When we notice these signs, unexpected shifts and moments of clarity, it's often a hint that we're on the verge of receiving something valuable, something aligned with our true needs. By staying open to these experiences, we can recognize them as part of a bigger plan that's guiding us toward fulfillment and purpose. As we wrap up, remember to stay open to whatever life brings your way, even if it doesn't look like what you expected. Sometimes the most unexpected moments and the paths we never planned lead us exactly where we need to be. Trust that there's a wisdom guiding you, helping you receive what's truly best for you, even if it's different from what you imagined. The universe often knows what we need before we do, So stay open, you may be about to receive exactly what you didn't even know you needed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Divine Reality for more content that will inspire and empower you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.